Hi guys, Ryan from Brunner here, and today we're at Golden Castle. This is my favourite Brunner table in the entire range, the Axia 2. Okay, super lightweight, weighs just over 5 kilos, all aluminium. Okay, when you want to put this away, you pull it back and it unlocks. Okay, a lot of aluminium slatted tabletops like this, they don't have locks and support down the side, so they can be a bit rickety. This is a solid tabletop. Okay, pull it back and unlock it there. Once you've done that, the tabletop concertina is in. I always put the strap on while it's here, so you're not fighting it back into the bag, okay? Once you've done that, okay, take your support bar off here and here, and then the framework just pulls together there and up like that, away into a lovely, easy, nice, long, thin bag. Pop that out, pop your support bar back on there, and then lay your tabletop out, lay that all out on the one side, and then with your thumbs, just pop it back into place. And lastly, lock it back in. You can use your wine glass or your spirit level to check if you're all evened out, okay? And if you want to, you can adjust with your little adjuster there. Might have to edit this bit. Get yours today online or in store at Golden Castle. Thanks guys.